Imagine for a moment that you want to take a picture of your entire city, but there is one problem. You are standing right in the middle of it. No matter how hard you try, you can't see the full shape of the city from the inside. You would need to go far outside it, high above it, just to understand how everything fits together. Now, here's a much bigger question. How did scientists figure out the shape of our galaxy, the Milky Way, when we are actually living inside it? Our planet Earth, the Sun, and every planet in our solar system are just a tiny part of a massive cosmic structure called the Milky Way galaxy. This galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars and stretches across nearly 100,000 light-years. To understand how enormous that is, imagine the fastest thing in the universe, light. Even light would take about 100,000 years to travel from one side of the Milky Way to the other. And somewhere inside this unimaginable ocean of stars lies our small solar system, just one star among billions. But here's the real challenge. Because we are located inside the galaxy, we cannot simply step outside and take a photograph of it like we do with planets or moons. So, if no one has ever left the galaxy to take a picture of it, where do all those beautiful images of the Milky Way come from? The truth might surprise you. Most of the images you see of the Milky Way are not real photographs taken from outside the galaxy. Instead, they are scientific reconstructions created from years of observation and collected astronomical data. To understand the shape of the galaxy, scientists had to become cosmic detectives. They began by observing the stars around us. By mapping the positions of stars and studying how they move through space, astronomers started to notice patterns that hinted at a much larger structure. However, visible light alone was not enough. Huge clouds of gas and dust fill many parts of the galaxy, blocking our view and hiding massive regions of the Milky Way from ordinary telescopes. Because of this cosmic dust, when we look into space with normal telescopes, we are only seeing a small fraction of what actually exists. So scientists needed another method to look deeper into the galaxy. This is where radio telescopes became incredibly important. Unlike visible light, radio waves can pass through clouds of gas and dust. This allowed astronomers to detect massive clouds of hydrogen gas scattered throughout the Milky Way. These hydrogen clouds act like glowing markers in the darkness of space. By studying their radio signals and measuring their distances, scientists were able to slowly piece together a map of our galaxy. It was like trying to map a huge forest while standing deep inside it, only seeing the trees around you and guessing how the rest of the forest is arranged. Little by little, more data was collected, more stars were mapped, more gas clouds were detected, and gradually the overall structure of the Milky Way started to appear. What scientists discovered was incredible. Our galaxy is not random in shape. It is actually a spiral galaxy with several enormous arms made of stars, gas, and dust stretching outward from the center. At the very center of the Milky Way lies something extraordinary, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A star. This incredible object contains the mass of millions of suns compressed into a region smaller than our solar system. The gravity there is unbelievably powerful. Everything in the galaxy, including our sun, is slowly orbiting around this central region. Thankfully, we are very far away from it. Our solar system sits in one of the quieter outer regions of the galaxy, inside a smaller spiral branch known as the Orion Arm. Compared to the chaotic center of the Milky Way, our region is relatively calm and stable. Some scientists even believe that our peaceful position inside the galaxy played an important role in allowing life to develop on Earth. If we were much closer to the galactic center, powerful radiation and
constant stellar activity might have made life impossible. Over the years, new technologies have helped scientists understand the Milky Way more clearly than ever before. Powerful space telescopes, massive observatories, and extremely precise measurements of star movements have allowed astronomers to create more accurate maps of our galaxy. Today, we know far more about the Milky Way than scientists did just a few decades ago. But even with all our advanced technology, many mysteries remain. There are still regions we cannot fully observe, stars we have not yet discovered, and cosmic phenomena we are only beginning to understand. In many ways, studying our galaxy is like trying to understand a gigantic house while standing in just one room. We are still exploring its corridors, still opening new doors, still discovering how vast our cosmic home truly is. And maybe one day, far in the future, humanity will travel far enough into space to finally see the Milky Way from the outside and witness the true shape of the galaxy we have always called home.